I just got a glimpse of it. I could really catch up just a glimpse. So honestly, I really have no clue what it's all about. But as the name suggests, Satyam Mev Jayate definitely describes something about the truth. And I have had the privilege of working with Amir twice. I've done 2 co-commercials with him. And as a person, I've seen him up close in the way he functions. And so I'm sure this is one hell of a surprise.
It's about crime and that's what I think.
Very exciting. हम सब बहुत बेकरार हैं और थोड़े उतावले भी हैं. जिज्ञासा बढ़ रही है. टाइटल जैसा है सत्यमेव जयते, पर मुझे लगता है सत्यमेव जयते, सत्यमेव जयते. सत्य हमेशा अजय है, सत्य की हमेशा जय है. ये कुछ ऐसा प्रोग्राम हो सकता है जो आम आदमी के मन का सत्य और उसकी सच्चाई को सामने लाना, ऐसा मेरा शक है, मेरा गैसिंग है. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये प्रोग्राम आमिर खान साहब बना रहे हैं. उनकी जो इमेज है कि वो हमेशा एक मुद्दे की बात करते हैं. पहली बार वो टीवी पर आ रहे हैं तो ज़रूर ये कोई बहुत गजनी जैसा भारी भरकम एक सब्जेक्ट होगा जहाँ आम आदमी के मन की बात और आदमी के सच की बात और उसके सच की लड़ाई की बात होगी, उसके हक़ की बात होगी. साडा हक. सो हमारी बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि जैसा हमने सोचा है ऐसा ही या इससे बहुत बेहतर जो उन्होंने हमेशा किया है सिनेमा में, हमेशा वैसे ही
सत्यमेव जयते, I feel it's a very interesting show. I mean, it will be a show on social awareness, and actually there is no such show happening since a long time. So I would definitely wish to have I would definitely wish to watch a show like that, which because I like Anna Hazare also, because he has been fighting so long. So I think this will be a show again of some social awareness in it.
I think it's all about the nitty-gritty of Indian culture and how bright and colorful it is. That's how I perceived it. And if I would want to watch it, I would want to watch it to watch this only.
Okay, the first reason I'll watch Satyamev Jayate is Amir Khan and Amir Khan and Amir Khan. Okay, I think when I was a kid, I think I would still say I'm one of his biggest fans. I've done some mad stuff. I would even not even say that. He used to reside right next to my college. I used to go towards his building and throw things and try to meet him. We've done all of that stuff. So the main reason for me to watch Satyamev would be Amir Khan, because he would do something different.
जी मैंने आमिर खान का जो नया रियलिटी शो आ रहा है उसके बारे में बहुत सुना है. बैड लक ये रहा है कि मैंने एक भी प्रोमो अभी तक नहीं देखा, लेकिन हाँ ये है कि सब लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और आमिर खान अगर टीवी में कुछ लेके आ रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ
तो आप टाइम निकाल पाएंगे?
ज़रूर और टाइम मैं ज़रूर निकालूंगा और मुझे लगता है सभी लोग टाइम निकाल के देखेंगे.
हाँ, आमिर खान का शो है, मैं देखूंगा. अभी मैंने देखा नहीं, प्रोमो देखे, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग. ऑब्वियसली आमिर है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो अलग हो गई.
I was not very happy with the promos they were shot. I somewhere felt that using Amir Khan as a face for the promo was much more of a gimmick than it actually did anything for the show. I'm sure I will go. I would want to go and watch the show for whatever it is. But promoting it the way it is being promoted, maybe I am not very convinced about the idea of it.
What do you think the show would be all about?
As far as I know, I can think of it right now from the promos that I've seen. Looks like something to do with people fighting corruption.
Yes, and the promos look very interesting and very promising. I'm quite looking forward to the show.
Okay, what do you think the show is going to be all about?
I think the show is going to be all about going into the insides of India and showing the real India and what goes on really behind the cover scene. Probably it's about corruption and showing the real face of the country to the common man. And I'm very excited to look forward to it.
देखिए, हम जो टेक्नीशियंस हैं, कुछ भी नई चीज़ लॉन्च होती है, कोई भी टेलीविज़न का शो भी लॉन्च होता है, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि रात में ही सही 12, 1, 2, 3 बजे रिपीट टेलीकास्ट में भी देखें किसने क्या कल्पना की है, किसने कैसा काम किया है। तो अगर एज ए टेक्नीशियन देखें तो पहले मैं शो 2-3 एपिसोड देखना चाहूँगा।
तो आमिर खान का शो है, तो is that a good enough reason for you to watch it?
ऐसा नहीं है, आमिर खान तो केवल एक एक्टर हैं, उनके पास भी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स लेके जाते हुए ये एक अलग मुद्दा हो सकता है कि एक दो सुझाव उनके कुछ ऐसे होते हो जो कारगर सिद्ध हो जाते हैं या कुछ करते हैं। क्योंकि अगर हम 3 इडियट्स देखें तो ना आमिर खान ने डायरेक्ट किया है, ना उसमें उन्होंने कोई डायलॉग लिखा है, ना उन्होंने कोई गाना गाया है, ना कुछ उसका डायरेक्शन किया है, ना कैमरा किया है उसका। तो वो एक अलग मुद्दा है। मतलब खाली आमिर खान शो कर रहा है उस बेस पे तो मैं नहीं देख पाऊँगा। पहले मैं ये देख पाऊँगा कि किसने क्या कल्पना की है, क्या सोचा। अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ये एक प्लस पॉइंट होगा कि उसमें आमिर खान काम कर रहे हैं तो बेहतर ही काम करेंगे, अच्छी मेहनत करते हैं।
It's really interesting. I think I can't make much out of the promos so, and of course it's Aamir Khan, so I mean he already has our attention, so he doesn't need to do much. If he's in front of us, that's enough.
No, I haven't. No? अपने खुद का नहीं देखने को मिला। Oh, promos, yes, I have.
Okay, so it's starting on May 6th at 11 o'clock. So if you would watch it, what would be that one reason why you would?
I'll watch it because Aamir Khan की बहुत credibility है, and I somehow look up to him because he's very dedicated and he knows what he's doing, and वो जो भी subject या कुछ भी project pick up करते हैं उसमें बहुत conviction होती है. So I would want to watch if he's coming on television. Why is he coming on television? It has to have some substance. I'll watch it for that.
No, I haven't really seen the promos, but it's 11 AM slot. That's what I know, and Aamir Khan has to be interesting.
So what about Aamir as a showmaker intrigues you because of which you would like to watch his show?
A, is a perfectionist, and B, I think he's quite real. He's someone you can relate to, and he believes in good quality, in a good product.
Yes, I guess I've seen the promos of Satyam Mev Jayate, and it's coming on 6th May, and it's definitely going to be a life-changing experience for everyone because it's, as we all know, the perfectionist man is behind it, so we are eagerly waiting for it and just keeping our fingers crossed and we just really want to see the episodes as soon as possible.
So what do you think the show might be all about?
Well, I guess it's all the show, as I have seen, it looks upon that you should never give up. Hope is something which should always be there. It's the journey or the story about a common man, I guess. Right. So that is what they are trying to project, and they've got the best man with them, Mr. Aamir Khan. So he's going to rock it for sure.
Yes, I've seen a few promos, not really. मतलब गौर से नहीं देखा है because I just remember doing something घर पे getting ready for shoot and watching it. But I love Aamir Khan. I'm sure once it's on air, I'll definitely watch it.
सत्यम मेव जयते देख के मेरे को ये लगा it will be a show since आमिर हमेशा उनसे काफ़ी अभी उनके टूरिज्म के ऊपर ऐड आती थी कि
इंडिया को
करने से करिए something अतिथि देवो भव. So it must be something like this only कि अपने इंडिया को बढ़ाने के लिए टाइप्स दिखाने के लिए against corruption and all that. But it will be a very simple show because till now I believe Aamir believes in simplicity.
Right.
So it would be something like that.
Yes, I think I caught a glimpse of it, and Aamir Khan was promoting it in a very real way. He was having coffee, is that the one?
Right. Yeah.
And then he was saying something, yes I am.
So would you watch it?
If I get time, of course I will watch it. Aamir Khan has promoted it. Anything related to Aamir Khan, I think it seems only sensible to hear it, watch it or see it.
I think as much as I understand, it's another Oprah Winfrey in kind of format. But knowing Aamir Khan, he brings in all the excitement and the energies and the realism in television also. So he would be bringing all that. So it's a very exciting especially when they are reviving a age-old Sunday slot, 11 a.m. slot, where we all wanted to see Mahabharata and Ramayana and whatever.
So would you, if you have to watch that show, what would draw you to that show?
I think solely because of Aamir Khan, I think, and because he's going to talk about real stories. He's going to take us through really interesting stories around there. That should be really exciting.
I think it would be a show where Aamir would go to general people, general public, and talk to them regarding their problems and how they overcame their problems and all those things. I think it could also be a show about a common man's victory over the system by being resolute and just being honest. I think it would be a show on those lines.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, but have you heard of it?
I've heard of the new show. I didn't know that it's called Satyamev Jayate.
Okay. What do you think of Aamir as an actor?
He's a fantastic actor. Even if you were to ask me who is one actor that I really look up to, even if you didn't mention his name, I would say Aamir Khan.
Okay, so would you watch this show?
Given a chance, yes, of course.
Okay, so it's going to come at 11 o'clock.
In the night?
No, in the morning from 6th May onwards.
Okay. Catch up.
सत्यमेव जयते आमिर सर का जो नया शो आ रहा है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मालूम नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली शो किस बारे में है, क्या है. सेम केस विथ मी, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द शो, बट जैसे प्रोमोज आ रहे हैं, जैसे वो पिच कर रहे हैं शो को, द वन थिंग आई कैन श्योरली से दैट इट इज़ गोना बी वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट करंटली अवर टीवी इंडस्ट्री इज. इट विल बी different as in conceptually, and obviously the आमिर सर का जो स्पेशल टच रहेगा उसके भी हिसाब से, since I have worked with him, I know that छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के बारे में वो कितने कॉशियस रहते हैं, कितनी मायने रखती हैं वो चीज़ें उनके लिए, एंड ये चीज़ समझ में आती है जो टाइम स्लॉट उन्होंने चूज़ किया है, संडे सुबह 11 बजे.